So, you can see how much we've ripped apart on this car. Just to put in a stereo wiring harness. They said it'll be easy. You'll have fun. You enjoy this. I enjoy ripping my hair out too. So I've got one side together and connected through the A-pillar up to here. So I'm going to trace the factory harness back so that we can get this one out. Start routing the new one in place. Oops, sorry guys. So we can start routing the new one in place and get the stereo connections here where they need to go. But I kind of had a feeling, because Xander pointed something out to me, and I was like, yeah, I'm guessing it goes like this, and it doesn't. It actually goes like this. So this connector's on the passenger side. So now I got to find this connector. They said it would be fun. They did. They said it would be fun. It's not. But at least I know it's being done properly. I'm taking my time to make sure everything's routed correctly. Any loose miscellaneous wires from the previous radio installation, I'm removing so that we can go back to 100% factory on all of this, and it'll work great. So on that note, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, come plan episode 95 of the Corvette. And we're back. So we got everything out. I have the new harnessing, which I showed you guys in the door. Dashboard's going back together now. Nice and tight like it's supposed to. Steering column's back up. So I have the new harness and the old harness running through the same hole again. So now I got to chase down where that other connector is that I showed you guys so that we can get that connected. I got to do the ground strap yet and get everything ran.
Holy cow.
Ooh, excuse me. So I'll run everything over to the other side through the dashboard, but I got to figure out where everything lies so I can keep everything in its factory position so nothing bounces and rattles and shakes. You're moving the car, please.
I didn't notice that. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
I was trying to play. I forgot it was on these dolly things.
Yeah, so we'll get that done. I'm tightening everything back up over here, getting it all back together and taken care of so that it's done for the driver's side. Now it's chase the other side and disassemble the passenger side of the dashboard. What do we say, Xander?
Yeah.